What is up, party people? We are doing it. We're back at it again on some spring crappie fishing. We got the dream team today, boys and girls. Got Mr. Jack, Easton Beaston, and of course, you know that guy in the middle, the one and only.
Captain Sweetwater!
You can't get a better entrance than that. We're going to head out here, try to get some crappie. It's a busy day. It's a beautiful day. It's a Sunday. There's going to be a lot of people here today. We're going to do our best and try to put some fish in the box for these kids. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and come along. We are on the road. I got to pan extra far to get the whole ride in there.
13.
13 feet of business.
We're covering the water. That is for sure.
Easton, reel it in. Reel that. No, other way. Other way. Go that way. There you go. Reel. He got him.
Bang one. A bang one.
It's a big one?
Yeah.
I think it's a crappie too. Yeah, here you go.
You're doing a good job, Easton.
Yep, reel it on in. Reel it on in. Keep it going. Uh-oh, you might have lost him.
Did it get off?
Lost him. Let's see. Lost him. Came off. That's okay.
No, you still got him. Stay tight on
Hold
him.
on. Bring him up to the side. Bring him up to the side. Bring him in. Got it. Flip it over. Flip it over.
We got one.
Good
Nice
job, Jackson.
Good job, dude.
First fish in the boat.
We got one.
Look at that. Boom!
That's 2 tacos.
Boom! Jackson, what do you think, dude? Are we doing it? Are we gonna put him in the boat today?
Oh yeah.
Throw that in the cooler.
Let's get a quick measurement. Right at 12 inches. That's a good solid fish.
I'm not.
Good job, Jackson. Now, what do we catch that on? Let's see that. This is a Bobby Garland Mo Glow jig head with an orange Mo Glow Bobby Garland body.
Fish on, Mr. Will.
Oh, it's a bass.
Watch this, he's got a big old bass. Old bucket mouth.
Ready with the net.
You gonna scoop this one up?
Yeah.
You gonna scoop this one up? All right, come over next to the side. No, I'm gonna let Easton get this one.
I thought it was hung up. He hit it and that thing just didn't move at all.
Here you go, Easton, get ready to net him.
Get him, scoop it. All right.
Pick him up.
Good job.
Put him in the
Be
boat.
a heavy one.
Here he is.
Thanks, pal. You know what kind of fish this is, Easton?
No.
This is a largemouth bass.
Oh, it's paper mouth.
Paper.
There it comes.
Oh, it's a
Yeah,
freckled.
That's a good one.
Get him, Easton.
Good job.
All
There we
right.
go. Crappie number 2. Keep him in the boat. Yep, that's good. Let's hear it again.
Fish on.
Fish on. Where did he learn that?
I don't know. That sounds like some saltwater talk. But that's a decent one.
What is it?
Oh, it's a pickerel. Let me get this
Chain
one.
Pickerel.
Let me get this one. Put him in here. You're gonna lose the jig. Don't reel him up so tight, Jackson. There you go. All right.
Bail.
Ripping the bail.
I'll get you the hemostat. I already know. It looks like
Oh
he's flying.
man.
All right, he's in the corner. He's in the corner.
Here,
All right, species number 3, little
Hey,
chain
Ryan.
pickerel.
Here, bye.
You're doing great, Easton. Good job, buddy.
Keep it up. No slack. What is
I
that?
got one.
Another species. What in the world? That's a herring. That's a herring.
River herring.
Are you kidding me? That's a blueback river herring. Up here on the lake?
Ran up the dam.
Yeah, he's. Hey, oh. Yeah, you're in good deal.
I got one. Man, I got
I cannot
one.
believe that's what
I got one.
had. What did you do, Easton? That's a blueback river herring. Mind blown.
Oh, he's bowed up. Don't do a Bill dance on me and flip that cooler.
I'm not sure what it is.
I think it's a chainy.
Put the net in the water, Easton. There you go. Good job.
Swing it up to Mr. Will. Another chainy. Let's see him up close. He's got good colors. Look at the colors in that guy. They're a pain in the butt to fish for, but like fish around, but they're pretty fish.
Can I hold it?
It's got
You
these
don't wanna hold
markings that
that.
are
He
like
got teeth.
like a brick pattern almost.
Can I hold it? Can I touch it, tail?
Yeah, touch them.
Hey.
Perch. So nice ring perch, dude. Not that, Jackson.
Get ready.
Another species. Dude, that's an eater too, man. That's a good one.
That's close.
That might be a citation.
That's close.
12 inches is a
I
citation.
think so.
Look at that. Big old fat ring perch.
What are we doing? Are we fishing?
Aviation.
What are we catching? What kind of fish did we catch? Perch,
Perch,
crappie,
crappie,
bass,
bass,
and pickerel.
pickerel,
That's right.
And a herring.
And a heron.
heron.
Let's see
Look
it.
at that Crappie.
We gotta lay them out where we can see them.
Dude,
Look at that.
my man now.
It's a good one.
Giant.
Just drag just a hair. Yes, sir.
Sean.
Will, you want?
Like a pickle or something.
I don't know. That's another good crappie, dude. Keep your rod tip down. Keep your rod tip down. Bring it to him. Sweep it over to him. There you go.
Nice.
Flip your bail. Flip your bail. Good job, Jackson. Another one. Showing us how it's done. There you go. Crappie number 6 or 7.
Something like that.
Come on, need some real.
Keep reeling. Another crop. Oh, that's a good crappie too. Keep reeling.
Tighten his drag.
No, he's good. Oh, that's a good one.
That is a chunky one.
Look at that. Look at that. He's dead. Oh, give me your best face. Oh, yeah. Look at that one. You want to hold this one? He won't bite you.
That's a real one.
That's a good one, Easton.
That's at least 2 tacos.
Look at that. Look at that. Easton.
Don't let him touch me.
Don't let him touch you.
No, don't bite.
Oh, yeah. That isn't a good burrito, is it? Looks like you're in heaven. A little dockside lunch. Got some fried walleye, or actually sawguy. Some spicy ranch. A little rice and beans in there, some cabbage. This is delicious. Literally, all we are doing is just slow trolling a 16th ounce jig head with a Bobby Garland or a panfish assassin. A little bit of casting, a couple fish, but most of our fish, almost all of them, came from just slow trolling this rig you see right here. It's easy, it's cheap, it's under $10 for what you see in my hand right here. Yeah, that's a big crappie. Keep your rod tip down, walk on up to the front.
Big old biggin.
Oh, that's a good one, Jackson. Come on over. Ooh, I got it. Let some line out. Let some line out. That's a good one. Size of your foot.
A good old good one.
My foot's on for you.
What a great time. What a great time.
Yeah.
Easton's the net man.
Got Easton on net duty. Get ready. Here it comes.
Here it comes. Net in the water.
Net in the water.
Scoop.
Scoop.
All right.
There you go.
Now it's a party.
Yes, sir. Throw them in the cooler.
Thanks, buddy. That's a fat one.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, well, that is a wrap for today. We have put a hurting on some crappie. Mission successful. Easton's my new net man. Oh, I can't even get through the closer without, oh, Will, hooking into another one.
Can't hold that, Dad.
What do you call me, boys?
Captain Sweetwater. Net.
That's a little guy.
Oh, it's a white perch.
Yes, it is.
All right,
7
another species.
species.
That's 7 species. Oh, gotcha.
Little white perch.
Hey everybody, it's the end of our day. We've been on the Chickahominy Lake side catching these big slab crappie.
Look at that cord. Slam full of some crappie.
Big 13, 14 inch crappie.
Well, that one was
It's time The boys have a birthday party to go to. Look at the size of that joker.
That's a nice one.
The boys have a birthday party to go to. And honestly, we've caught enough fish for the day.
Yeah.
And we're trolling
Yeah.
plastics on 16th ounce jig heads behind a rental boat from Ed Allen's. You can do this. I'm glad that we're able to bring you along shotgun with us. And one fish is kind of special to me. Along with all the big crappie we've caught. Look, here's a 13-inch crappie. Here's a 12-inch yellow perch. That is a citation.
That is a stud of a yellow perch for Virginia.
Big one. And look at how pretty and red the fins are. I think that's just really neat.
That is a pretty looking.
Yeah.
All right, we're done for the day.
Would you hand
I'm
me
dropping Will off in the middle of nowhere with these random strangers. And we're gonna beat feet to a birthday party with a cooler full of fish. Thank you, Will.
Would you pass me the Gatorade, please?
Pass him the Gatorade.
That's in yours. Go quick.
Pass him the Gatorade.
Thank you. You want Peyton or Eli?